Hey guys, I'm back with chamomile and eating popcorn. Um, Beautiful chamomile. This is beautiful. Um, One of my favorite companies. I think this was from Frontier. Okay, but a lot of flowers, even a lot of ground at the bottom. There's a lot of flowers. The smell, amazing. Now, I'm going to talk to you about the properties of chamomile, but even if you can't afford to buy chamomile in bulk, right, like I do, because even with my jars, even these are the largest jars that that's not true. I have another one that's probably about this big, right? Um, and so I will be, because I use chamomile a lot, chamomile, roses, hibiscus, the things that I use a lot, I'll use the larger jars for. Things I use sparingly or in the smaller jars because I buy smaller containers. So I think I showed you, this one has clove in it. This is my medium-sized one. And then my next size in that collection, and then my larger jars actually have silver lids. They're not see-through. So even if you don't buy bulk, if you don't have the storage for bulk, if you, or what have you, depending on how long you've been following me, you may have seen, like, I don't know, 5 years ago, the Dollar Tree would sell candles in these containers. And I blinged out all the containers, saved the jars. They were $1 a jar. And cleaned them out, put the little bling wrap around them, and then this is what I stored my ingredients in. And now they're used for all kind of stuff all over the house. So I don't need them anymore. But you could start there. This is just a recycled glass container. And if you're just filling that size, you can order from the apothecary and get, you know, like an ounce of the herbs and know that they're fresh and they're ethically harvested and that they're organic. And or you can also go to, like, for chamomile, you can go to the grocery store. Like, I don't actually go to the grocery store. I order everything, but either through Amazon or through even the bulk herbs. I order everything. So, but you can get it in tea, right? Just make sure it just says that it's only chamomile by itself, because they do tend to sell a lot of combinations. And I have one over here that I use for, I use this one. This is chamomile and lavender. So beautiful. Yeah. And this, amazing quality, right? But it's great for tea because I add this with a little bit of hibiscus, and it's amazing tea. But also it's excellent in love spells and that type of work. And it's already blended. Okay, so our dear sweet alluring chamomile, the flower, right? Because we don't really work with, like, I don't work with the root or the leaves of the chamomile. We're talking about the flower itself. And so the flower, the gender of chamomile is male. Its planet is sun. Its element is water. And its main powers are money, sleep, love, and purification. So when I say that its main powers, those are the things that they typically can be used for, right? Money, sleep, love, and purification. So we all know if you drink chamomile tea, it puts you to sleep. Same thing with the tincture. You can purchase the tincture with the dropper in it, and when you ingest it, it helps you to relax. You can also smoke the flowers. You can find those in a lot of herbal blends. You can smoke just chamomile itself, but it's going to relax you. It should be part of a relaxing blend. Don't smoke chamomile or take the tincture expecting to be able to really get functional. and get moving and have lots of energy, because that's not its power. Its power is to kind of relax you and help to lull you to sleep. You can use this chamomile in spells for breaking curses, all types of money spells. So anything that is about money, prosperity, drawing in money, good luck. So if you are doing work for a gambler, you're a gambler, you bought a lotto ticket, whatever it is, and for drawing in love, right? So there's our money. It relaxes you, that puts you to sleep. You can use it in love spells and purification of just cleansing. Now, if you are an artist, artisan, soulpreneur, right? If you have smaller businesses, burning chamomile will help to bring more money to your business, to your work, to get it seen, to bring people in to buy it. So again, the powers of chamomile are money, sleep, love, purification. Its gender is male. The planet is the sun, and its element is water. You can smoke it when you are trying to attract money with it, especially as an artist or a soulpreneur. Burning it is best. And you can take it as a tincture or a tea to relax. It's excellent to use for children who have a little extra energy, who have difficulty going to sleep at night, those types of things. If you have any other uses or know anything else about this beautiful flower, chamomile, let me know. Share it in the comments so we can all add it to our notes.